I'm gonna do a little quick unboxing. You can see that this box is from Simpson Farms since 1888. Look, simpsonsmeats.com. I like that they have the steaks inside, refrigerate ASAP. And so here's what you get. You get a cooler inside the box, which is handy. And then, now I've already been in here, but look, these gel packs are completely, I mean, there's rocks solid in the middle. And we've got some ground beef. Oh yeah. Some 80/20 from Tennessee Ground Beef Program. Got some Benton's bacon. And you can see the smoke on this bacon is, and that's what Alan Benton is known for. You can see that it's penetrated really well. And look at that beautiful, I mean, that's gonna be awesome. And then we've got, this is a chuck roast. And I mean, everything's icy cold, beautiful marbling in this thing. It's gonna be amazing. I may smoke this. I may, who knows what I'm gonna do. But really wanted to show you guys what it looked like when one of these shipments of meat comes in. That's how it happens. Just packed up and ready to go. And look, there's more ice packs. This huge block down here is frozen. And this block down here is frozen. Now, quick note that you may think this box is kind of empty for the amount of packing material. We split an order with a neighbor, so the neighbor already took theirs out and it went to their house. So anyhow, Simpson's Fine Meats, simpsonsmeats.com. It's fun to do a little unboxing. I can't wait to get this on the plate.